According to Grand Thornton, more than 45% of patients who chose India as their healthcare destination have chosen Tamil Nadu as their state of choice. Highlighting this, medical tourism takes center stage at the Tamil Nadu Travel Mart. Indigo continues its growth momentum.
Financial year is obviously underway, and we are growing this year by 30% in terms of available seat kilometers, or ASKs as we say in the business. And we will be taking delivery of a large number of aircraft, A320s and A321s, and also some of the ATRs are regional turboprops. 50 aircraft we expect to be delivered to Indigo in this year, 2019-2020.
Indian Railways to link all northeastern state capitals by March 2022. Travstarz and Ras Khaimah Tourism hosted a workshop for travel agents at Mumbai.
Khaimah has a lot to offer, especially with the world's longest zip line. They've got the Pearl Farm. They're also creating a lot of newer things for people to see.
We did the first round of workshops in February earlier this year, where we went to Delhi, Jaipur and Calcutta. This is the second round of workshops that we're doing. I've already been to Ahmedabad and Pune, and wrapping up with Mumbai.